Benz SUV here on how to fix peeling cloth from your A-pillar or any other pillar. This is a common problem, I'm guessing, because I've seen other people do it on YouTube as well, but where this fabric starts peeling off from the actual A-pillar, or if it happens anywhere else, perhaps even on the B-pillar over here. So what I did was I just glue it. I didn't have to remove the whole thing. I've seen people remove the whole thing and use some kind of spray glue to put it all together. Perhaps that is better, but removing this whole thing is a lot of work. So in about 5 minutes, I just started to put this together using glue. What I did was I got this Fabric Fusion from Amazon, or any other fabric glue would work. I actually got this to fix some fabric, but I decided might as well use it over here and see how well it works. So basically what I did was, this is just styrofoam just to prevent the sun from hitting the windshield and blinding me. But I just put some masking tape or painter's tape up against the windshield here, so that I don't get any glue on the windshield. And I put some glue onto a dish. I used a cotton swab. This is a thicker cotton swab. It's a cotton swab that you use on babies. So it's just Johnson & Johnson safety swabs. They're a little bit fatter than regular cotton swabs, as you can see here, to prevent this from going inside a baby's ear. Anyway, I had leftover this from when my kids were babies. But anyway, I just used that with the cotton swab, and I ran it, put it on both sides actually for better adhesion. I put it on the vinyl piece over there as well as on the fabric itself. It had curled over, so I was able to put it. And then I just used any credit card, my Home Depot credit card, which I don't carry with me, and I just kept on pushing it up against the curvature of the pillar. And so far so good. It's done a good job adhering to it. I did have some spots here and there, but I believe they're dried out. You could tell the difference when you feel it. Like over here, this is nice and smooth, but over here, this still feels a little bit sticky. Anyway, it's done a good job, and it took about 5 minutes. Actually, it took more time to put this masking tape. You may or may not need this painter's tape. I just did it to be on the safe side. Better yet, you could stick some sheets of paper and just tape it. I think that was probably a better idea, but I didn't do that. But if you got some thin cardboard, like a cereal box, maybe you can stick that against the edge of the glass and put the tape over it, masking tape or any other tape. I think that's a better idea than what I did in retrospect. But I just kept on pushing this and then pushing it down. Rub against it, push it down, rub against it, push it down, rub against it, push it down. And so far that's continued to work. I'm just going to continue to do this just to make sure that it's pushed against. But this is it. A quick fix for pillar of the fabric that's coming off the pillar. And I'll put a link below. Again, you can buy this anywhere. I got it off Amazon, but you can buy it anywhere, or any other glue would work. This is, I used Aleene's, whatever. And I'm not sure how long this will stay. I hope this is a permanent fix, but we'll see. Thanks for watching.